In this video, you will learn how to use a non-readable PDF advanced features. With Smarty contracts, in addition to fields for signatures, initials, the date signed, contact info, and property address, you can also add advanced fields. Because this document is non-readable PDF, you will need to add fields to the document. Each field will automatically be assigned to you as the document owner. Once your PDF is uploaded to Docs Management or Miscellaneous Docs Management, click on the globe in the center of the line which the document appears. You will select your text field and drag and drop the field onto the document. You can then resize the field as necessary by clicking and dragging on the orange arrows. Notice that if you drag and drop a second text box, it will remain the same size of the previous place field. You can now add checkboxes to your document. To add a checkbox, select the checkbox field and drag and drop the checkbox onto the document. You can then resize your checkbox and add as many checkboxes as you need. You can add radio buttons to the document by selecting Radio Button from the left-hand dashboard. You will drop the radio button onto the document and resize. Then click on the wrench icon to add another radio button to this group. You will see a second radio button has been added. You can then move it to the appropriate location on the document and drop it. You can add date fields to the document as well. You can drag and drop your date field and then again resize as necessary. If you would like to strike through text in the document, drag and drop strike through line on the document, then resize to strike through the necessary text. If there is a large area in the document that you would like to strike through, drag over the strike through area and then resize to as large or small as you need it. You can customize each field on the document by resizing the field or changing who the field belongs to. To resize, click on the field and use the orange arrow, and click on the field and drag and drop to adjust the placement of the field. To reassign the field, click on the field and then click on the wrench and select the individual for who the field should belong to. Selecting a contact will allow that contact to fill out that field. Here is a tip for quickly sizing and aligning checkboxes or any fields that need to be the same size and aligned. After you drag, drop, and place the fields you need, adjust the size of the first field. Drag a shadow box over the fields you want to adjust. Use the Match Height Width feature to quickly adjust each box to the same size of the first box, and then use the Align Fields feature to align the fields in a column or row. To add a signature to the document, click and drag the signature to the signature line and drop it on the document. You will see two boxes. The first box is the signature and the second is the signature date. Drag the date box to the date line for the signature. Adjust the size of the boxes and change the field owner for the signature. If the document requires initials, click and drag initial and drop it on the document where you need it. Click the wrench, select the field owner, and click Place Initials to all pages. This will place the initial box in the same spot on all pages. After you have added all of your fields onto the document, you can fill out the document by selecting Fill Out on the top of the left-hand dashboard. You can then select each of the items you would like to fill out. You can select each of the checkboxes that you have added, and you will see that if you select the radio buttons, because you have added radio button from a group, you will only be able to select either or for each radio button. You can then click on the date field to select from the calendar date box. To enter your text to the document, click on your text field and then type in your necessary text. Once you have completed filling out your document, remember to click Save at the top left-hand dashboard. Do you need to add more contacts to the document owner drop-down box? You will want to review the Quick Minute Update PDF adding additional signers to the document.